Hey guys, it's Christina with A Yarn Wrapped Life, and I am coming to you from my string art studio, aka my garage. And I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about my DIY string art kits. We're coming into the summer months. The kids are out of school. Certain places that used to be open aren't going to be open this summer, and so we're all looking for something to do to fill our time, and these kits are perfect. Anyone as young as 5 years old with supervision, all the way up to adults, can handle these kits. They come to you with everything that you need inside of them. At most, you'll need scissors and maybe a hammer. I offer two styles of kits. I offer a nail it yourself kit, which means that it will come with the nails and you will actually nail the design in yourself. It comes with a template that you use to nail your design. I also offer a pre-nailed kit, and that means that I will put the nails in the design you've chosen before it comes to you. So when you open that kit, all you have to do is just start stringing. These are perfect, guys. They're great as gifts. You can either gift the kit or you can do the kit. Maybe your child can do the kit. You can do the kit with your children. You can do it on your own. And then you gift that final product to someone else. Everything's on my website. You can choose your stain colors. You can choose your designs. You can choose your string colors. And guys, I've got a wall of string. So if there's a color you're wanting, chances are I have it. You get to see those colors on my website. And if there's ever a design or a color of string that you don't see, don't hesitate to ask. I can probably get it and I can probably make that design for you. So I'm actually going to take a minute and I'm going to show you what comes inside of each of your kits when they arrive at your house. Have your nail it yourself kit and you have your pre-nailed kit. So I'm going to show you what comes into the nail it yourself kit first. So when you get your kit, it'll come all pre-packaged like this. Everything you need is inside of here, except for, of course, hammer and some scissors. We're just going to open this one up. What you're going to have in here is you're going to have your piece of wood. And now this can come in 3 different stains. This, of course, is just a natural stain. There's also a medium stain and a darker stain that you... These are your 2 designs. And you're going to have an extra copy to reference for when you string. And then you're going to have your main copy is for tracing your outline onto your board. And that way you have an extra to look at when you're done. We have a pack of nails. There are plenty of nails in here. Not every single nail goes in perfect. Some go in crooked, some bend when you put them in, not a big deal. I've made sure to include more than enough nails to do the particular design that's in your package. Now when it comes to the string, you have your choice of up to 8 different colors that you can include in your kit, and those colors are up to you. Sheets and your material list. So the tip sheet is just basically going to give you a rundown of how to do your project. This is your material sheet, and what's going to tell you is what is included in your kit. If you've got your online tutorial links, you can use your QR code scanner on your phone to scan this. This will take you directly to my YouTube channel. If you don't have a QR scanner, or maybe you just don't know how to use one, you can just go to youtube.com and search A Yarn Wrapped Life, and that will bring up my channel. And be sure while you're on there to subscribe. And that's going to help you see any new videos, tutorials, projects that I might put up on my channel. So that's everything that comes in the Nail It Yourself kit. So the pre-nailed kit, this one I believe is the espresso. This is the darker stain. And as you can see, you've got your nail design. So let's open this up and see what. So the first thing you have, of course, is your board. And this just happens to have that cute little unicorn design already nailed in. All the nails are secure, as best as I can, as evenly as possible, and ready to string. You have, again, same thing. This one just happens to have 8 colors of string, but you can but you can do as little as 2 and as many as 8. in this particular kit, you're only going to have one design, and that's because your design is already on your board. So you just need this one to reference as you string, and this will help you get the lines right if you're able to look at the design that I've actually used to make your board. And then again, we have our online links, we have our materials list, and we have our tip sheet.